Guys, I'm trying to make an army of chickens so that when I fall, I have a literal parachute with me. I just want to make a parachute. And I'm actually in the hospital right now because, well, I need my foot to be checked out. So, yeah. I'm trying to make the chickens fall for more space. Punching the chickens off is for more space. Yeah, I'm gonna make a part 2. Guys, this is part 2 and I see chickens. I'm starting to lag, not gonna lie. With all these chickens, I might have a parachute already. But I won't try it because if I fall, the lead will break. I actually have to be careful. Oh, come on, didn't leash him in time. Oh, get out of here. 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 Yeah, I'm gonna be making a part 3. Shoot, well, the leashes got broken, so yeah, this happened. And I only managed to catch these guys. I have to restart the whole process with only these guys on my side. Man, that's really sad. Uh, Getting up this thing is already so hard, bro. I'm thinking that everything's inverted when they're not. Bro. Guys, I literally lost my army earlier and then I just got it back. My army is back. Yeah, let's start doing things now. Let's not parachute early because, well, earlier I started testing. I tried to test the parachute because it didn't work. It didn't work out well. Everyone fell. And I couldn't leash. I could only leash like 4 of them. Yeah, you might say I forgot to leash that other guy, that other chicken, but I actually couldn't leash it, so I just pushed it off.